guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about subject-verb agreement with the focus being on indefinite pronouns. Some indefinite pronouns are singular. Some are plural, and some can be singular or plural depending on how they are used. Rule number 1. The following indefinite pronouns are singular. Anybody, anyone, anything, each, either, everybody, everyone, everything, neither, nobody, no one, nothing, one, somebody, someone, and something. For example, everyone on the school trip is wearing casual clothes. Everyone is a singular subject, therefore it takes the singular verb phrase is wearing. Another example. One of the most beautiful places in Jamaica is Dunn's River Falls. One is a singular subject, therefore it takes the singular verb is. Another example. Anything that makes yard work easier is a good gift for Dad. Anything is a singular subject, therefore it takes the singular verb is. Please note, each, either, neither, and one can also be used as adjectives or as parts of correlative conjunctions. Used as these parts of speech, such words cannot function as subjects. Rule number 2. The following indefinite pronouns are plural. Both, few, many, and several. For example, both of the games were postponed. Both is a plural subject, therefore it takes a plural verb phrase, were postponed. Another example, many of our words derive from Latin. Many is a plural subject, therefore it takes a plural verb, derive. Another example, several of the students have volunteered. Several is a plural subject, therefore it takes the plural verb phrase have volunteered. Rule number 3. The indefinite pronouns all, any, more, most, none, and some may be singular or plural depending on their meaning in a sentence. These pronouns are singular when they refer to singular words and are plural when they refer to plural words. For example, all of the vegetable garden has been planted. All refers to the singular noun garden. Therefore, it takes the singular verb phrase has been planted. All of the vegetables have been planted. In this context, all refers to the plural noun vegetables. Therefore, it takes the plural verb phrase have been planted. Another example. None of the equipment was damaged. None refers to the singular noun equipment. Therefore, none takes the singular verb phrase was damaged. However, if the sentence is none of the machines were damaged, none refers to the plural noun machines. Therefore, none, a plural subject, takes the plural verb phrase were damaged. Another example. Most of the food has already been eaten. Most, the singular subject in this sentence, therefore takes the singular verb phrase has already been eaten. However, if the sentence is most of the sandwiches have already been eaten, most refers to the plural noun sandwiches. Therefore, most, a plural subject, takes have already been eaten, the plural verb phrase. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out my other cool videos. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.